Another day and another paranormal video review. This one was sent in by Susan and it is absolutely wild. But I want you to watch it first and then we'll talk.
Clarissa, ons eerste huis in Van der Byl, nê? Vandat Manuel nou saam met ons gekom het, nê? Was ook
Did you see it? Let me slow it down for you. So yes, that happened. That looked like a full figure that seemed to come towards the camera. And what makes this piece of evidence so beautiful is that this isn't made for cinematic value. This isn't made to scare you. There's no crazy sounds. There's no wild acting or going crazy. It was literally just a video that happened to catch what looked like a full body mist figure coming towards the camera. And it's transparent. It's not like it was made to look realistic. It was literally just a spur of the moment capture. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Do you think this was paranormal or do you think this was just chance, a trick of the camera? For me, I would have to say that this seems to be very plausible paranormal evidence. And I love this type of footage.